Hello guys, video starts here. I'm gonna do some bottle flip tricks. You probably did at home. Yeah, bottle flip tricks. And cap flips are also gonna be included in this video. And I just literally landed that, bro. So, first one. Guys, so first thing we're gonna do, we have this bottle, and I'm gonna do the normal flip. Yeah, I have did this lots of times, but it requires lots of fails. Okay, so guys, mistakes are part of the progress. You already know that. It almost landed. So I'm just gonna do it until I can actually flip. Okay, I'll be over here so that this is hard. The main reason why it's hard is just because, yeah. But I'm never gonna flip. Is this even new, bro? That almost lands. Stick it! Bro! It actually landed. Okay. But it wasn't in camera, so I'm gonna do it again. Stick this, please. Whoa. How long is this gonna take? Bro, it almost landed. It just hit the camera. And that wasn't count. That didn't count. Okay, I catched it. Come on. There you go. We settled the land. Yeah, we settled the land. Why is it leaning sideways? That's just so annoying. I think it's gotta do with the things that are helping him to stand. Gosh. Well, he landed it. Second thing we're gonna do, cap flip. You know the cap flip, right? And the cap. So it's mostly impossible to do this, and I just made the. It's almost impossible to do this unless you have lots of skill or technique. So this is gonna take like estimated 1 hour. Bruh. Okay guys, that is the easiest place to do it. So I'm just gonna put the camera there on the side and I'm just gonna, flip lots of times until I get the camera. It always works. Wait, the bro actually did the smooth side. Smooth, bro. Wait, bro, I thought that works. That was the best. This was the best place the bottle flip. Because literally, when the bottle lands here, it just lands like that. You can land there frequently. Oh, I landed one. But I didn't land the cap flip. I landed another one. I lost the land. Okay, here. This was my best place to actually bottle flip. Nah, bro, can you hear me? Oh, look at that, bro. Did you see that? Okay, guys. I skipped a few bottle flips and That wasn't a full flip, but at least that counts as a cap flip. Yeah. So you can just like bottle flip it on walls, and then it will even more frequently land. Fight to landing. And as you can see, I stick that again. Because when you do it here, it doesn't really land because it has no wall. But if there's a wall, it will literally just stay and put. Because it's not gonna like do this. So yeah, let's move on to the next. Guys, this is my best flip of all. But I'll have to make the camera a bit taller. Is this the tallest point? I think there's like something that I have. Guys, I made the camera taller. Just like that. So now I'm just gonna put you onto the side. Hope you see that. Okay, let's go. And that was the trick. Yeah, that was the trick that I have. You know. But can we do a cap flip with it? Like, I swear, man, that won't work. As you can see, it's slowly flip like this. But why with no wall? Because it's like this. So it's not like you're gonna have to do this. Yes, it's just like more easier because it's just more easier because when you put it down, then it's almost just gonna stick. But this, it actually just does this. So yeah, this thing has a time to spin 360 like that, so that it can land. You now know, but I'm gonna do another flip. Oh, see? It needed the piano. It also needed the piano. And you just let that up. Because the center mass. Oh, no, it's not the center mass. I think it's just the curvature of this. And then it meets with this. So, you will go up anytime you push it. As you can see, I was pushing it. So it works like that. Let's move on to the next trick shot. This trick shot is mostly kind of like the greatest of them all. The cap flip. I already did the cap flip, right? That was the easy version. Now I have to stay here for hours. Landed. I need a cap flip. Huh? Oh, it's not seen? Oh. Yeah, you already know the cap flip. Okay? You already know the cap flip. You probably landed a cap flip. Because I also landed a cap flip. It's just too complicated. Yeah, there is a complicated way. But I'm just gonna do the normal flip again. I'm gonna do this until it goes for a normal flip. And like that. So, what else was that? Ah, the wall flip. Okay. You all sure? I meant by the corner flip, you know? So this is the corner flip. Mostly you're just gonna land it like that. Like that, because there's like a corner and a wall that's helping it. But what about a wall flip? Like only the wall is helping. Let's see. Let's see if the walls. Let's see if the wall helps the. Wait. If the wall helps the bottle, then it must flip. Because yeah. And that didn't count. It didn't go to the wall. We have to do it exactly at the wall. So that's why I'm going as close as I can to the wall. And yes, that was indeed the wall flip. Okay. Hey guys. Okay. The reason why I'm so quiet right now is just because I just woke up. I just woke up and it was quite morning, so yeah. That's all trick shots I can do, so bye bye. Couldn't even do more.